In the year 1835, Charles Darwin set sail to the island of the Galapagos. While there, he noticed differences in the mockingbirds and the tortoises of each island. Shortly after, in 1859, he wrote his theories in the book titled On the Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection. His theories of evolution led people to see a connection between themselves, the rest of the world, and transformation. This interest in nature showed through in all aspects of art and culture, which brought around Art Nouveau. Art Nouveau is characterized by beautiful and intricate representations of plants and species. This movement spread throughout many parts of the world like the US, Australia, and Europe, in particular France, during the Universal Exposition in Paris in 1900. This is the first time artists had the opportunity to display their work at a widely known level. This style transcended above all forms of art and was displayed in paintings, posters, ceramics, sculptures, furniture, jewelry, and architecture. In architecture, Art Nouveau was characterized by fluid twisting, curving lines, and a whiplash effect. The main materials for buildings were concrete, iron, large glass windows, ceramics, and brickwork. The main goal was to stray away from traditional styles of architecture. Charles Rennie Mackintosh was a Scottish architect who was prominent during the arts and crafts movement. He led the front line as an Art Nouveau influence with his exceptional inventiveness and aesthetic perception. Other architects who Mackintosh influenced were Horta and Gaudi. Horta had a breakthrough with his project Hotel Tassel. Principally to show an appreciation of nature, there was an expression of metal structure with tendril-like ornamentation. It displayed vegetal shapes of banisters, wallpaper, floor mosaics, modern material, and natural forms for metal ornament, combined with freshness and an exotic nature. Shapes were also extracted from nature. An example of Gaudi's Art Nouveau work is displayed in Casa Batlló in Barcelona, which has unusual shapes such as irregular oval windows and flowing stonework. The facade is decorated with a colorful mosaic made out of broken ceramic tiles. The roof is arched and was similar to the shape of the back of a dragon or dinosaur. Although Art Nouveau strayed away from traditional forms of architecture and art, it was incredibly popular while it lasted. However, it only remained popular for a decade before being taken over by Art Deco, which had a more modern approach. Art Deco succeeded because it was driven by Louis Sullivan's idea that form should follow function.